With Easter out of the way early this year, we all need something to look forward to that's not an egg-shaped sugar bomb. So here's hoping the recent stock market performance for the UK and the US will continue throughout April. If you are still in the midst of a sugar crash, here are some investing platform updates from the likes of Robinhood, Freetrade, Trading212, eToro and Public to perk you up, as well as some tips for where you can invest in the latest blockbuster IPO. The wait is finally over. Robinhood has launched its popular commission-free investing platform here in the UK. It only offers US stocks, but there's no fee to open and hold an account, and Robinhood doesn't charge foreign exchange fees either. So it's a cheap option for buying or selling US shares. We've got a full review live on finder.com if you want to check out the full details of this exciting launch, and we've got a video review coming soon if you'd rather sit and watch me explain all the ins and outs instead of reading through everything. Trading212 has rebuilt its web app and is offering investors early access to the beta version. As well as a new overall look, the refreshed version of the desktop platform now includes advanced charting provided by TradingView, an online social space so you can post, interact and chat with other investors, just like on the app, and a dark mode. If you want to access the new beta version, just log into Trading212 on a web browser and then click the green button in the top left corner that says Switch to New App. Then feel free to explore the new version and give feedback to Trading212 for anything you think could improve by posting on the Trading212 community threads. To give investors more managed portfolio options, eToro has teamed up with the global investing powerhouse BlackRock to offer 5 new additions to its smart portfolio collection. These 5 new investments fall under the name of core portfolios, and the options in order of lowest risk to highest risk are core income, aiming for stable and consistent income, core stability, balancing growth and income, core moderate, balancing growth with a sprinkling of added risk for higher potential returns, core dynamic, seeking aggressive growth with a higher potential of volatility, core equity, prioritizes growth over all else, meaning more risk and likely more volatility. Each portfolio is made up of 10 to 25 iShares ETFs containing a mixture of assets like stocks and bonds. This helps ensure a diverse range of investments and keeps the costs down. In case you weren't aware, BlackRock owns iShares. BlackRock will be providing eToro with asset allocation expertise for creating and maintaining these 5 new ready-made portfolios, and each will be rebalanced up to 6 times per year. Like eToro's other smart portfolios, you need a $500 minimum investment to get started, but there's no commission to invest and there's no ongoing management fee charged by eToro. In the dash for cash we've seen in recent years, platforms have been jostling to improve their dry powder services. Dry powder is just another term for cash reserves if you're not in the know. And to compete, Freetrade is up in its game. It's now offering 1% interest on cash balances of up to £1,000 for subscribers on the free basic plan. Previously, Freetrade only offered interest on uninvested cash on its paid for, standard and plus plans. 1% is lower than what's on offer with some other platforms, but some providers aren't offering any interest whatsoever, so it's better than nothing. If you are on a paid plan with Freetrade, your return on cash is also going up to a more competitive rate. Standard subscribers can now earn 3% on up to £2,000, previously it was 1%, and plus subscribers can earn an impressive 5% on up to £3,000, previously it was 3%. Sadly, Public will be shutting down its UK investing platform from the 3rd of May 2024. Public only launched back in July 2023, so it was a fairly brief foray into UK markets, but still, it managed to survive for around 7 times longer than Liz Truss as Prime Minister, so that's something. As part of Public's winding down process, if you have an account, you'll need to sell your investment by April 12th and withdraw any cash by April 26th. The process gets a little vague after this date, so we really recommend getting your cash out of the app before that deadline. After a few quiet years, the IPO market has been ramping up again, and the latest big name firm to go public is social media network Reddit. As expected, the Reddit share price has been fairly volatile so far. If you are considering investing in Reddit, here's a quick rundown of some of the platforms currently offering the option to buy or sell shares. So, plenty of options if you want to give Reddit stock an upvote and thread it into your portfolio. Just remember that stocks can be particularly volatile in the months following a high-profile IPO. Each month, we'll be bringing you the latest updates on all your favorite trading apps. So make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell button so you don't miss out. To see our roundup of the best trading apps in the UK right now, visit finder.com by clicking here and following the link below. Thanks for watching. See you next month.